Have you felt like you will finally feel enough when you lose the weight, when you get in that relationship, when you get the money, when you become that version of yourself that you want to become? Because I definitely have. I treated self love as something I would reach one day, like self worth and self love, I would reach one day. When I become that version of myself that I want to become, I will become that high value woman. But no, I finally understood that this is not true. I thought, when I'll be in that relationship, when I'll be chosen by someone, then I'll be worthy, then I'll be enough. When I get the money, then I'll be like, yes, I have achieved something. I am worthy. I'm enough. When I'll feel confident, then I'll love myself, then I'll accept myself. But no, this was all wrong. I was thinking the belief was wrong, because now I have realized that self worth is not a reward. It is something we already have. It is not something we need to earn. Like a baby. A baby don't need achievements. A baby doesn't need to feel confident. A baby doesn't need to do anything. He doesn't need any validation. He is worthy just the way he is, right? But because when we grow, as we grow, we are treated and conditioned like our self-worth depends on what we achieve, like when we get the good marks, when we achieve something in other activities, or when we get the job, when we get the money, then we are worthy. We are conditioned like that by the society, by our caregivers, and that's why we believe that yes, self-worth is something we need to achieve. but no, this is not true. We are already worthy because we exist, because we are human beings. And that's why today I want, to give you some practical steps on how you can achieve that self-worth, how you can feel worthy without even achieving anything. Because I also have not achieved what I want in my life. I have not achieved the relationship till now. I have not achieved the money. I have not become that version I really want to become. I still make mistakes. I still go back to my old pattern, to my old identity. I still make so many mistakes. I still feel guilty. I still go to that low frequency. But this time, now when I do these mistakes, I go back to my patterns. I talk to myself in a different way. I don't criticize myself now. I don't feel unworthy. I'm like, it's okay, I'm learning, I'm growing, and these mistakes are only making me more good, more better. So yes, when I started, saying, affirming, like, I am worthy in the mirror, I felt fake. Like, you can start by affirming in the mirror, but initially when you start in the beginning, it feels fake. But when you are consistent with what you are doing, then results definitely come. And I now don't need anything to feel worthy. I feel worthy just the way I am. And that's why I want to say you these practical steps that will really help you. The first step, you can start by affirming in the mirror that I am worthy just the way I am. I accept myself and I love myself just the way I am. I am valuable. You can affirm this by looking yourself in the mirror. The second step you really need to do is you need to notice where you are seeking proof that you are worthy. Take out your journal and complete this sentence. I will finally feel worthy when. I'll finally feel worthy when, and the list, oh my god, when I did first time the practice, this exercise, my list was so long. I will finally feel worthy when I be in this relationship. I'll finally feel worthy when someone chooses me, when someone loves me. I'll finally feel worthy when I gain weight. Like for me, it's gaining weight. I'll finally feel worthy when when I earn this amount of money. The list was so long, like 7 to 8 list was there. So the first step is awareness, where you are really seeking the proof that you are worthy. And then you need to see that, okay, is this something I believe, or is this something conditioned by the society that I am worthy when I achieve this thing? Because now, even though I'm single, I don't feel unworthy. I don't feel like I lack something. I can give myself the love, and when finally the time will come, yes, I'll be in this relationship. So you need to know that it is not something you believe, because I thought that I will feel worthy and I'll be enough when someone chooses me, and this is not something I believe, it is something society has put on me. So because Whenever I go, people ask me about my marriage. When are you going to get married? You don't have anyone in your life. Like the if my siblings and my cousins have, like, oh, you are not in a relationship, but these people are in a relationship, you didn't got anyone. Like, the society has poured into me, and that's why I used to feel like this. So now I know that these are not something I believe, these are something, this the society, the people have conditioned on me. And so when you know that, you don't feel unworthy. And the second step is, you need to talk with yourself differently. Like, when, like, you talk to someone you love, how you talk to someone you love, you love yourself, right? So you need to talk to yourself differently. Now if you see that you feel unworthy, because in the starting you will still feel unworthy, if you feel like you are feeling unworthy, what you will say to yourself? You say, oh, you are feeling unworthy again, you can't do anything? Or you'll say like, it's okay, it's just the beginning, you were just starting your journey to feel worthy. It's okay if you're feeling unworthy. If you make mistakes, how do you talk to yourself? Because still go back to my old patterns and my old identity. I go in that low frequency, but now I talk to myself like, it's okay, Niveta, you are learning. These situations are only trying to make you much better. And I say like, these situations are coming for me to learn the lessons, because everything that happens is the universe and God is always trying to teach you something, right? So for me, when something bad happens, where, or when I go back in that victim mindset, I didn't went in the victim mindset for a long time, and I finally felt like, I have overcome this wound, and I have overcome this victim mindset. But recently, like 4 5 days before I went, I played the victim minds, like the blaming game, for like 2 3 minutes, and I was like, oh, wait, am I going in that victimization again? But this time, when I went to the victimization, I didn't say it like, oh, Niveta, you went to the victimization again. You thought you overcame this mentality, but you still went. No, I said, okay, maybe this victimization is coming again because it wants to be healed in a much better way. This is the sentence that I said to myself. So, start talking to yourself differently, in a kind way, in a polite way. You deserve it, right? You deserve kindness. And the third step is keeping small promises to yourself. Like, we think that when we make these huge promises, huge achievements, then we feel worthy. But we can train our mind to feel worthy from these small achievements, small promises. Like for me, like walking in my garden for 10 minutes, doing my meditation every day, going for my classes every day. This all makes me feel worthy, that yes, I am uh, doing things that I need to do. If I wait for me to feel worthy when I'll come in a relationship, when I'll gain the weight, when I'll get the money, I don't know when I'll get it. Till that time, I can't feel unworthy. And if we don't feel unworthy anyway, we are not going to achieve that. So keep small promises to yourself. And the fourth step is, you don't need to measure your value every day, because you will not always feel confident, you will not always feel productive. Let me say you, some days will come when you will feel low, some days will come when you will rest, you will feel lazy, you will feel like you don't want to do this work, and you will not feel confident. These days will come in every person's life. These days come when they don't feel productive, they don't feel confident. But if you measure your value, your worth, by only feeling confident, only feeling productive, then it's not going to work. So don't measure with this, don't measure your value every day, because yes, our feelings changes, the circumstances changes, things happens in our life, situations will come, but the word, the self worth that you feel, it should not change. So these are the some practical steps that you can really apply, implement, to feel worthy. And you need to make that intention that yes, I am worthy and I feel worthy. And when you, with the intention, when you start and you are consistent, because one day you will do, the other day, one day you will feel like I'm worthy and I am, you are keeping the small promises, but the second day you are not doing anything, you are just feeling unworthy. It doesn't work like that. Yes, you will feel unworthy for times, but the thing is, we need to not dwell on that feeling. Yes, the feeling will come. Obviously when you start something, obviously you go back to your old patterns. Even after months, years, you go back to your old pattern. Because I have experience, I thought after 1 2 years we are we become different, but no, after even 3 years I still go back to my old pattern. I still went to victimization, right? So it we will go back to our old pattern because we have been trained to become that for like 20 25 years. So obviously it needs time, but you need to not dwell on it. When I went back on the victimization mindset, I went for 2 3 minutes, then I was like, oh, okay, 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 I'm going back. But I didn't dwell on it, I didn't feel guilty. You know what happens when we go back to our old pattern? And it's from my personal experience. When I go back to my old pattern, before I used to dwell on it like, oh, I have failed, I went back to my victimization, that means my manifestations are not going to work, that means I will not become that high value woman. I used to dwell on that feeling for 2 3 hours before. But now I used to not feel guilty. I used to not dwell on that feeling. I'm like, okay, I felt okay. But now I choose to transform my energy and choose to, change my frequency. And I need to feel worthy and abandoned and loved, whatever you want. So this is how it works. So I want all of you to really, know that you don't need to achieve anything to feel worthy. You are worthy just the way you are. I'm also still learning. I also go back, but now I talk to myself in a differently. I communicate with myself in a differently. When I look myself in the mirror, I say to myself that yes, you went back, but it's okay. You are learning, you are growing, you are expanding. You know, the progress is the growth, not the perfection. We think that when we become perfect, that is the growth, that is the success. But no, the progress that we are making now, how we are dealing to the situations, this shows our progress. So that's all for today, my girls. I hope we all grow. Just know that we all are worthy just the way we are, because we exist, because we are human beings. So that's all. Bye bye.